All right, let's get you the latest as far as Mehul Choksi's extradition into India is concerned. The Modi government has sought the advice of senior advocate Harish Salve to ensure the swift extradition of Mehul Choksi. Bringing you all the very latest details on this. Salve might present India's case before the High Court in Dominica, where Choksi is being held for illegally entering the country. In a statement, Salve said that he is advising the government of India on what steps to take on the Mehul Choksi case. He's further added that if India is given an audience and the Attorney General agrees to his admission to the bar, he will appear for India. Salve, with his sharp legal acumen, has helped India's Kulbhushan Jadhav case in the global court against Pakistan. Fugitive Mehul Choksi was arrested in Dominica last month. Meanwhile, Caribbean News Portal claims that captain of ship Calliope of Arn claims that Choksi never boarded the ship. Live for the very latest on this. Geeta, how do you see this case pan out, especially when it comes to extradition of Mehul Choksi from Dominica, as Salve now enters the extradition effort too?
Well, Harish Salve has been key when it comes to advising and counselling the government of India, and this time around also, behind the scenes, he has been counselling the government of India and advising on various matters, but particularly in this case, Mehul Choksi's matter. And like you rightly pointed out, according to Dominican laws, or for that matter right now, at present, Dominican government is a party to the case and not India. We know that there was an 8-member team that went to Dominica, but they were there because they needed to provide all the documents to the Dominican authorities with regards to the criminality of Mehul Choksi in India, the fact that there is still a contention of his citizenship, which could very well work on in Dominican government's favor in ensuring that he's deported to India rather than repatriated to Antigua. And also, more importantly over here, the fact that the Prime Minister of Dominica yesterday called him an Indian citizen. So very crucial elements there in which Harish Salve could play a very key role. He has been advising the councils and legal heads in from London in Dominica as well. And now, if the Attorney General permits, if Peter Levy permits, only then will the Dominican authorities, the Dominican courts, allow Harish Salve to be present and represent India as a party to the entire case. If India is not a party to the entire case, Harish Salve will sit it out and allow the lawyers who they've hired in Dominica to really fight the case. But he will certainly be there counselling them and advising them on to how to take things forward and the next course of action.
Thanks, Geeta, for joining us with the latest details. The mystery surrounding the woman allegedly to be the one with whom Choksi went on a romantic getaway is deepening. Choksi has launched an official complaint with the police in Antigua and claimed that he was abducted and beaten up mercilessly by 8 to 10 men who claim themselves to be from Antigua.
She and her girlfriend or boyfriend had taken a house very near to our house in August of last year, from 2nd August to 7th of August. And at that time, when my husband would go for a walk, they or she would join like a normal walking thing. And other people also knew her because walkers know each other.
Choksi's family has been repeatedly claiming threat to his life.
So that there was always this fear that there is a threat to his life. Tell me, if you want to abduct someone and you want them to stand trial and face justice, do you need to torture them?
Choksi has now been remanded to a hospital in Dominica. India today confronted the fugitive, but he did not respond.
How are you doing, Mr. Choksi? How are you doing? India today, how are you?
The diamond heir has been repeatedly claiming that he is now an Antiguan citizen. But the Dominican Prime Minister does not agree.
The matter with this Indian citizen is before the courts. The court will decide what happens to the gentleman, and we allow the court process to go through. And I do not like to get involved by making statements publicly on this matter.
Was Choksi indeed a victim of an abduction plot, or is there more to this Dominican mystery than meets the eye? With Arvind Ojha and Nalini Sharma from Delhi and Carlyle No Baptiste.